This video will discuss the importance of disinfection and how to properly disinfect a wheelchair. It is important to disinfect the wheelchair after each use to prevent the spread of infection between clients and healthcare providers. Can you identify which areas of the wheelchair needs to be disinfected? High-touch areas are surfaces that are frequently touched by the patient and healthcare provider. The following areas needs to be disinfected more frequently. The hand rims of the wheelchair are always in full contact with the patient's hands, which can be a source of infection. The armrests are also in full contact with the patient's arm and should be disinfected. Healthcare providers may also touch the armrest to remove and attach it back to the wheelchair. The push handles are frequently touched by family members, caregivers, and healthcare providers. The release handle of the leg rest will also need to be disinfected because it is often touched by healthcare providers to remove and reattach the leg rest. The brakes of the wheelchair are often touched by the patient and healthcare provider, and the leg rest buttons are often touched by the healthcare provider to adjust the height of the leg rest. The seat and the back of the wheelchair will also need to be disinfected because they are in contact with the patient's body and can contribute to the spread of infection. When disinfecting a wheelchair, we start from the cleanest area to the dirtiest area. This way, dirt and microorganisms are not being spread to cleaner areas of the wheelchair. We start from the release handle of the leg rest, moving down to the leg rest buttons, and then back up to the brakes of the wheelchair, then to the armrest of the wheelchair, the push handles of the wheelchair. Last but not least, disinfect the hand rims. Make sure you are wiping down the entire surface of the hand rim, and repeat the steps on the other side of the wheelchair.